Hey guys, so I did purchase a couple of covers for the outlets. This is another way you can elevate your home. As of now, you see we have this is just the basic one that they usually put in houses. It does the job, but if you can change it, why not? So I did get these. This is how they look like. So pretty. You get four, you get eight, you get four of these and four of these, so in total eight, just for $15. Why not? It's such a good price. So I'm gonna show you what a difference it's gonna make. Then you're gonna get the new one. This is how it looks. How pretty. Look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference. Like, oh, and I did forget, it actually comes with the wrench, but I prefer using mine because it's bigger. So if you don't have the tool, they got you. Amazon's got you. Here we go. Voila. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The new has arrived. Seriously though, look at this thing. Doesn't it look amazing? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Seriously. Look. It's so so this is how it looks before we change it. I was trying to paint over it, silly. And then we're gonna see after.